Introducing first, the Platinum Standard, NickDepp.
We're back on WWA Hysteria. You can see NickDepp making his way to the ring for this. And this is only the 5th match. We have 10 tonight.
And introducing his opponent, Dakota France.
Dakota France focused opponent, but the referee has the unenviable task of making sure that this thing stays affixed between the two of them.
Look at this. It's just long enough to reach end to end, corner to corner. So that is as far as these men can be away from each other this entire match.
My goodness. NickDepp and Dakota France chained to one another. Who's going to get the upper hand? Who's going to get the victory in this dog collar match? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Look
Starting
at these
off with a tug of war.
Yeah, they're making sure that none of that is taught. They're going to be pulling on each other here. Who's going to get the upper hand? Oh, NickDepp and Dakota France firing off against one another.
Not holding anything back with these strikes.
No, there's no love lost between these two, and NickDepp's trying to escape, but Dakota France realized it and started pulling. It's choking NickDepp and keeping him from going outside. Dakota France teeing off on the self-proclaimed Platinum Standard in the corner. Off the ropes. No! Yeah, just thrown by his neck, and the chain is now wrapped around NickDepp's foot. They're just getting tangled up. Oh, no way.
In the mouth.
Yeah, the chain's going in the mouth of NickDepp. Dakota France is pulling, looking to get a submission, looking to add some punishment to this contest. No rope breaks. NickDepp's going to have to fight his way out of this. Ooh!
Yanked right out of the mouth. That could rip your mouth open.
Yeah, not good. Not good. Oh, and the chain being bundled up by NickDepp as he throws it across the back of NickDepp.
I can already see welts on Nick's back.
Look at this, off the rope, still affixed to that chain, though, and Dakota France with big clothesline. NickDepp falling on that chain. You talk about those welts on the back, I'm sure that doesn't feel good either. Oh, Fez press. Fist raining down onto NickDepp.
Oh, God.
No.
Not me,
Yeah,
Dakota.
Dakota France just asked who wants blood.
Don't encourage this crowd. They are chanting, "We want blood."
Oh, wait!
Biting right on the head.
Yeah, Dakota France really wants blood here.
That certainly could do it.
Yeah, well, this has been very personal between these two. Their whole disagreement. And NickDepp's bleeding. NickDepp is bleeding. And now Dakota France is pulling around the top turnbuckle and subduing NickDepp. NickDepp's being choked out. This is a brutal side of Dakota France we don't often see, but this disagreement has been so personal between them, involving Dakota France's brother.
He has got Nick tied to that corner. Well, he just undid it.
Yeah, he's draining the life out of him, and now it looks like he's got, hip toss. NickDepp's checking to see if he's bleeding.
You are, Nick.
Yeah, we can tell you. We've got a front row seat right here. Oh! More from Dakota France with those stomps. Oh, is Dakota France lining up for the...
Oh! Whoa! Wow!
Dakota France going for the Dakota 500, and NickDepp pulling him right on down.
huge, huge fists raining down on Dakota's head.
NickDepp is literally seeing red. He is covered in blood right now, and I think it has enraged him even further in this dog collar match. Oh, no way. Choke out from NickDepp onto Dakota France.
Returning the favor from earlier.
Yeah, I don't like this. It's slipping just below the mouth of Dakota France. Dakota France may have tapped out there if that chain would have slipped into the mouth and started stretching him out. NickDepp sending Dakota France off the ropes. No, Dakota France with a big forearm knocking NickDepp down. But he can't go for the pin because he's had so much taken out of him.
Dakota has got Nick's blood all over him.
Oh, big atomic drop onto the Platinum Standard. Off the ropes goes, oh, chain to the stomach. Yeah, you're right. I thought Dakota France was bleeding, but that's just NickDepp's blood, I believe. Oh, across the back. NickDepp is bleeding everywhere. This is insane. 1, 2. A brutal dog collar match here tonight on WWE Hysteria. NickDepp is busted open. We've still got 5 matches to go here tonight, and it looks like he's choking out Dakota France.
He's got him kind of dangled off the end of the ring here.
Yeah, this isn't good. This isn't good. NickDepp is bleeding. Oh, and he's just brutalizing Dakota France. Oh, across the back.
Dakota's halfway under the ring. I can't tell if he's trying to get away or if that's just how he landed.
Yeah, that's insane.
He has not really moved since falling out of the ring. And he just keeps raking him across the back.
There's so much blood all over Dakota France. I believe Dakota France is bleeding now.
Oh, yeah,
Kris,
I see it down the forehead there.
Yeah. Both of these men are just destroying one another. Blood is getting everywhere out here. We're covered in blood. We're covered in hay. Dakota France can't figure out where he is right now. Look at him stumbling around. Oh, big right hand. 4 right hands. No way. No way. Oh! 1, 2. Kick out. Dakota France is still in this. NickDepp is bleeding everywhere. Oh! Big kick to the ribs from NickDepp. I just want to point out these two have very, not regularly gone for pins. They're just looking to administer more punishment to one another in this one-on-one
They both have said this is for blood, and we have got it all over the place.
Oh, yeah, they both got it. Oh, NickDepp just said he was proclaiming he's going for a tap out on Dakota France.
Going for that figure 4.
Oh, no, this is the move that he was able to get Dakota France to pass out to at Halloween Hell. Can he do it again with this much blood loss between both of them? Look at him torquing that figure 4, and he almost pinned Dakota France off of that figure 4. They've both got to be getting lightheaded right now. My goodness. They're both down.
It's just exhausted. I mean, losing a lot of blood will just drain your energy.
And they've been dueling so close to each other, you almost forget that the dog collar is between them. Look at this, though.
No way.
Almost falls out.
Wow.
More lariat.
Where did he get that from?
I have no idea. You saw him almost slip out of the ring. 2 counts from NickDepp. My goodness. What a contest between these two.
Nick looking to bring the strap down.
Yeah, NickDepp proclaimed he was out for blood, and I think he got his wish. Is he gonna drop it? He's dropping the
It's
strap.
down.
Fist drop onto Dakota France. Both legs hooked.
And a kick out from Dakota.
I don't know how he's able to kick out, especially when NickDepp had both legs hooked for that pin.
Nick mocking the crowd and cheering for Dakota's kick out.
Yeah, he's going for more and more chain shots onto the top of Dakota France's head.
That would be illegal.
Yeah, NickDepp just yelled, "I'm gonna kill him."
I know there's not supposed to be ref stoppage in these kind of matches, but I would hope if it got to that point.
Yeah, for sure. The
Going
strap's
for
coming
a
down
second
again.
one. Got the boot up in time.
What a reversal from Dakota France. Dakota France's brother Christian is directly behind us at the announcer table, and you can hear him cheering on, trying to will his brother back into this, and it looks like it's working. Look at this! Bulldog onto the chain. Oh, and a crossface!
With the chain!
Applied!
With the chain!
A crossface applied!
Nick has got to tap here.
How's he gonna get out of this? There's no rope breaks. Wait, leverage working in his favor.
Oh,
What? No!
he rolled himself into a pin.
Yeah, and Dakota France had to let go of the hold to kick out of that pinfall lest he lose this match. Look at this, up on the shoulders, could be going for the Nick kick. No!
Dakota down,
Super kick!
going for the cover.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
No way!
Like 2 15/16.
It is very rare we see anyone kick out of the super kick. Off the top of my head, I can't think of anybody. And NickDepp, with that much blood loss, still has the wherewithal to kick out. Don't take anything away from either of these competitors in this dog collar match here tonight. No, no, no.
Oh my God!
Oh! Dakota France went up top. NickDepp able to pull that chain and send Dakota France
Look at
crashing
the
down
sick
to the ring.
grin on Nick's face.
No way. Look at NickDepp stumbling. Look at how much has been taken out of him, and he's still in this. No way.
Looking for the Nick kick.
Nick kick hits. That's got to be it. 1, 2. No!
I cannot believe that.
I can't believe my eyes either. I'm with NickDepp on this one. The crowd's chanting 2. NickDepp can't believe it. I can't believe it. I don't know that our crowd can believe it. Not a slow count. And these two are coming. NickDepp is challenging Dakota France. Don't like this.
The hatred these two men have for each other.
I don't want to see anyone get too hurt, but my God, does NickDepp deserve it. Look at this. Chain wrapped around the hand of NickDepp. No! Super kick! On another one! No way!
Looked like Nick might have been going for the lariat again.
No. What is Dakota France doing? Oh!
A third super kick.
1, 2, 3!
Dakota did it!
The winner of this match, Dakota France!
With Road to Hell from Dakota France. NickDepp has been put down here tonight in this dog collar match. What a match.
Christian France behind us on his feet.
Yeah, he is going nuts back here. We're all going nuts. The crowd behind me on their feet. What a contest. Don't take anything away from either man in this one-on-one contest. Dakota France walks away with the victory in the rubber match between these two.